Hello, is this McDonald's?
Yeah, pay turn around. What you want from McDonald's?
Do I have to say this thing?
Yeah. Wait, okay.
No, cheeseburger with extra sauce.
Okay.
And a pickles and cheeseburger.
Okay.
And hamburger.
Coming right up. Here your tray. Do you want a toy?
Did you say toy?
What? I got these. Do you want a toy?
I gotta go feel that noise.
Do you want a toy?
That's right. Hold on for 1 second.
Brother, get
Hey, broke
my
something.
brother.
What? Hey, broke something.
My brother tried to get present. Okay, do you want a toy? Do you need medicine?
Yes.
Okay, do you need a toy? Do you want a toy?
Yes.
Okay, here. Now drink the medicine. What wrong? What do you?
Cheese.
No, what do you want next?
Hold on for a second. Listen to my music. Like Quantum Fury, this is amazing.
How? No, do this a Chooo video and a McDonald's video.
Eat it.
Okay, get to it. Hey, Freddy. Hey, Freddy, what do you want from McDonald's? What do you want from McDonald's? No, you peek there.
I want.
Chooo, get out.
Get out of the camera.
You go right there.
I went to Achoo! And I want another Achoo!
Medicine.
And
Heal medicine for free. That's right. What? Now what do you want from McDonald's?
I want a cheeseburger. Extra sauce. Extra. I don't like sauce.
Okay.
I don't know what to do.
Okay. Be patient. Be patient.
Be patient. Never be a bully, kids. If you say one bad thing, I will do something.
Or do it. Wait.
Just do it.
This is the news. When you see a kid getting a bully, help them. And tell the teacher when you're at school. Or tell the parents. Bye. Okay.
I've seen a lot of things.
But hey, what want me to? Bye for today.